If one cracked shipment could cost you a client, it's worth asking, are your fragile items really as protected as you think? In logistics, most breakages don't happen in disasters. They happen in the boring moments: a bump on a conveyor, a stack shifted in the depot, a sudden stop in traffic. The good news? With a few smart packing tweaks, you can dramatically cut damage and claims. Today, let's break down 7 practical packing hacks to keep fragile goods safer in transit and your customers happier on the other end. Hack number 1. Build a 3-layer defense. Stop thinking of packaging as just a box. Think in layers: the product layer, the cushioning layer, and the shipping layer. The product layer is any internal packaging your item already has, like foam inserts or retail boxes. The cushioning layer is what absorbs shock: bubble wrap, foam, paper, air pillows. The shipping layer is your outer carton. When all 3 layers are doing their job, your item doesn't feel the impact of a drop or knock. Hack number 2. Use the shake test before you ship. Once you've packed a fragile item, close the carton and give it a gentle but firm shake in all directions. If you can feel or hear the product moving, it's underprotected. Movement equals momentum, and momentum equals breakage. Add more cushioning, especially around corners and weak points, until the contents feel snug and stable. It's a simple habit that catches problems before the freight company does. Hack number 3. Protect the corners first, not just the faces. Most people focus on wrapping the front and back of a product, but in transit, corners take the biggest hits. Box corners are pressure points. If they fail, everything inside is exposed. Use corner protectors, folded cardboard, or extra bubble wrap built up around the edges. Aim for a minimum of 5 centimeters of cushioning between your item and every side of the box, with special attention on those corners. Hack number 4. Double box your high-risk items. For very fragile goods, glassware, electronics, ceramics, or anything irreplaceable, double boxing is cheap insurance. Pack the item into a snug inner box with proper cushioning. Then place that box inside a larger carton with another layer of padding all around. This creates a suspension system. Impacts are absorbed by the outer box and cushioning, not by your product. Hack number 5. Match materials to the journey, not just the item. A single glass vase going overnight across town faces different risks than a pallet of mixed fragile goods going regional. Short metro runs might cope well with bubble wrap and single-wall cartons. Longer and more complex journeys usually need sturdier double-wall boxes, denser foam, and pallet-level protection. Ask yourself, how far is it going? How many touch points will it pass through? The harsher the journey, the tougher your packaging should be. Hack number 6. Label clearly, but don't rely on labels alone. Fragile stickers help, but they're not magic. Treat labels as communication, not protection. Use clear, large labels for fragile, this side up, and any handling instructions, and make sure they're consistent with how the item is actually packed. If it must stay upright, pack it so it genuinely can't be laid on its side without damage. Labels support good handling. The packaging itself must assume that bumps and stacking will still occur. Hack number 7. Standardize your packing process. Damage rates often spike when packing depends on whoever is on the shift. Create a simple checklist for fragile items: minimum box strength, required cushioning depth, shake test, labeling, and documentation. Train your team to follow the same steps every time. When packing becomes a repeatable process instead of a guess, your breakages and claims usually drop, and your customers notice the consistency. Here's the bottom line. Protecting fragile items isn't about wrapping everything in more bubble wrap. It's about understanding how freight moves, where it fails, and building smart defenses into your packaging. If your goods arrive intact, on time, and in good shape, your logistics become invisible, and that's exactly how your customers like it. Keep refining your packing, keep testing your processes, and every shipment becomes one less thing you need to worry about. For more smart logistics tips, stay tuned with us.